Hello, my name is Erin Kramer, and I'd like to introduce you to my curriculum integration project. I chose to use my current classroom at Westwood Middle School for this project because they already use laptops there on a daily basis, but the amount of programs that they have been exposed to have been very minimal. This is a self-contained classroom for students with cognitive impairments. There are 15 6th through 8th grade students altogether, majority of which are classified as CI. Also within this classroom are visual and hearing impairments, autism, traumatic brain injury, fetal alcohol syndrome, and ADHD. This is a very difficult classroom with behavior problems resulting in multiple suspensions on a monthly basis. Support within the classroom is provided by the teacher and one paraprofessional. Outside the classroom are additional supports provided by the principal, vice principal, and 2 campus security guards when or if needed. Why I chose this project. I chose to have the students work together in small groups to research a planet within our solar system and then present it to the whole class. Through this project, they will use various internet resources as well as Google Slides to research and then present new information to the whole class. This is important for this group because many of the students will soon be transitioning into high school, where these skills will become more valuable. Not to mention, these same skills will challenge students to take ownership of their learning. Steps taken. In order to do this project, there are a few things I will need to model for the students first. I will need to teach them how to use internet resources and which ones are appropriate, as well as how to create a presentation and then present it verbally to the whole class. In order to do this, I will create a model presentation of planet Earth and present it. This will give them a good outline of what I am looking for in content and be an example of how you speak during presentations. Description of the lesson. In the last slide, I discussed how I would introduce the lesson and lay out my expectations. When it's the student's turn, I will have them break off into groups of 3 and randomly draw a planet from a bucket of popsicle sticks. Throughout a week or 2, the small groups will be given a minimum of 6 hours to work on the project all together. Majority of this time will be dedicated to research. I will not expect the students to be able to complete this assignment without providing them with a hard copy of expectations and suggestion of facts to research. I will also limit the amount of pictures and screen transitions that they use in order to save time developing the presentation. At the end of the research and practice time, each group will present their findings to the whole class, while the class takes notes and evaluates their peers. What I learned. Through this project, I was challenged to think about my students' strengths and weaknesses to evaluate how this project would use skills that they already have, as well as challenge them to gain more experiences. I was able to use my own previous knowledge of Prezi to create my own presentation, but added the challenge of working with Screencast, which is a new program to me, in order to complete the assignment. I'm hoping to use this or a variation of it in my current placement in the next 10 weeks. Thank you for taking the time to look through my presentation and have a great day.